Hi guys! Alright, so for today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to share you my favorite nude lippies. So meron ako dito lipsticks, meron ako liquid lipsticks, and sinama ko na rin yung lip gloss. Honestly, akala ko madami, like abutin ako ng mga 20 or 25 lippies. But apparently, I don't have so much nude lipsticks. But anyway, let's start. So the first one I'm going to show you is what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and this is from the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte, and this is in the shade Nude Shot. Yun yung nasa outer. And then, naglagay lang ako ng another Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Made Easy dun sa inner corners. You're gonna see it dun sa makeup tutorial before this video. So, etong dalawang to, that's the combo that I'm wearing on my lips right now. But, you know, it's a nice nudie color. And, I love this nude color because it's nude but it's warm. It doesn't make you look dead. Basically, pare-parehas lang yung rason ko kung bakit ko pinili yung mga lippies na ipapakita ko sa inyo. They're nude but you don't look dead. And iba-iba yung parang mga undertones. So, meron akong peachy, meron akong brown, meron akong pinky. Tama ba? Yeah, you're gonna see it later. But yeah, basically yun yung reason kung bakit ko pinili yung mga lippies na to. Because they're nude but you look alive. You don't look dead. So yeah, this is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Nude Shot. So unahin ko yung lipsticks, and I have two, you guys. First one is from Detail Cosmetics, at eto yung shade na May Layug. Alright guys, so this is the shade May Layug on my lips right now, and honestly, para siyang, it could be like a brown lipstick, it could be like a pink lipstick, but I consider it as a nude lipstick kasi somehow magagamit mo siya para, alam mo yun, madaya yung color ng lips mo. It's very close to this shade is very close to an MLBB, you know, My Lips But Better shade. Pero syempre, if you layer it like 2 to 3 layers, like magiging deep siya, hindi na siya nude. If you're just gonna use like one layer and then spread it with your fingers, I think it's a very, very nice, you know, fresh, everyday nude-ish color, like your lips but better. So, yeah. Detail Cosmetics, May Layug. Okay, so next on the lipsticks is from Sunny's Face. And this is the shade Nudist. So this is Nudist, and I love it because it's the kind of nude na hindi sweet. It's the nude na, you know, sexy. It's the nude na mature. Etong kasi si May, it's the nude na, you know, patwidams, mabait tayo. Eto yung nude. Etong si Nudist, eto yung nude na, like, girl, palaban ako. Boy, I can flirt with you. Ganarn! Oh, by the way, you guys, if you're gonna use like a nude lipstick, you like lipstick, be sure na you kind of like spread it using your fingers para hindi siya yung parang mukhang nakapatong sa'yo. Para in one siya with your lips. Para mukha talaga siyang, you know, you look naturally nude. Ano yun? Yeah, this is the shade Nudist from Sunny's Face. We're going to proceed with the liquid lipstick, and the first one I'm going to show to you is the first liquid lipstick na nude that I fell in love with. As in, hindi ako mahilig sa nude lipstick during that time, pero nung na-try ko to, parang natutuloy akong mag-explore ng other nude lipsticks. And I am talking about yung Vice Cosmetics in the shade Kieme Root. Alright guys, so eto na si Kieme Root on my lips. What I love about this is yung itsura niya talaga sa lips. Parang kaya niyang pakapalin or going like plumpier yung lips mo. It is very pigmented. Ang ganda niya sa picture, ang ganda niya sa video. What I just don't like about it is it's kind of tight. Actually, yung lahat ng Vice Cosmetics liquid lipstick, ang kaganda ng mga shades, but you know, yung formula, they're kind of tight. This is the Phenomenal matte liquid lipstick. Hindi ito yung velvet liquid lipstick. Pero, diba, ang ganda ng itsura niya. Pero yung nafe-feel ko ngayon sa labi ko, it's super duper tight. It's super duper kind of drying, but then, alam mo yun, ang ganda pa rin ang itsura niya. So, yeah, this is like one of my ultimate favorite nude lippie, which is Kemerut by Vice Cosmetics. So next lippie is from Colorette. Ito yung kanilang velvet tint, and I have this shade Rosé. So this is Rosé on my lips, you guys. Nung una akala ko yung birthday cake yung magiging favorite ko kasi yun yung parang brown tone eh. But somehow on my lips and on my skin tone, Rosé looks so much better. Rosé looks so much, you know, sexier, and it makes my lips like plumper. I really love Colorette velvet tint in Rosé, and this is my go-to, one of my go-to nude lippie. So yeah, this is Rosé lippie. I love this because it is very lightweight, nakaka-fresh siya, and it's not drying on the lips. And I'm talking about Signature Rouge in the shade I Enchant. Okay, so itong si I Enchant, this gives you like a pigment pero without actually covering your entire lips. Parang pinapakita pa rin niya, pinapasilip pa rin niya yung natural lips mo, pero like in-enhance niya. Totoo nga yung my lips pa better shade, so I really do love this. It's not drying. You can still do that, and alam mo yun, okay pa rin yung itsura niya. And yeah, I do recommend this one, the I Enchant from the Signature Rouge collection ng L'Oreal. Next liquid lipstick, you guys, is from L'Oreal pa rin, and this one is from the Infallible Pro Matte collection, and this is in the shade 354 Nudist. Ito kasing Signature Rouge, this is kinda like really mabait. So pag kumain ka ng pangharabasang talagang kain, madali tong mawali. Pero yung Infallible, ito talaga like really long lasting, really strong. Alright guys, so this is Nudist on my lips. This one is medyo peachy. Yung mga nauna kasi, they're like, you know, on the brownish family. Ito medyo peachy siya, and it's kind of like bright. So I'm not sure if this is going to work for the like morenas, like deep morenas, kasi para siyang magsa-stand out, if you know what I mean. But on my skin tone, I like it. Kind of like, I feel cute. Every time I wear this, I don't look dead, but you know, it's nude. This is Nudist from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte collection. Next lippie, another matinding liquid lipstick, and this is from the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and I have the shade Chai Genius. Hello! Look at that! Pero sa lahat ng nude lipsticks na I've swatched so far, ito yung parang current pinaka-favorite ko, because look at that, you guys. Nakakakapal siya ng labi. It looks so sexy. It looks so nice. And I think, although medyo ano siya ha, medyo cool tone siya. So, dun sa mga morena, merong binabagayang morena. If you're morena but you're cool toned, I think this would work on you. But if you're like warm tone morena, and this might look a bit grayish on you. But you know, you never know unless you try. Imagination ko lang naman yung ginagamit ko. Yeah, this is my current favorite nude lippie, and it's called Chai Genius. And last but definitely not the least, matte liquid lipstick is from BLK. Ito yung shade na Clay. I'm actually quite hesitant to include Clay on this list kasi I feel like it's too pigmented to be a nude lippie. Pero wala, sinama ko na. So papasa rin kasi siya sa, you know, peachy, corally, or even actually brown. Kasi pag pinagsama mo yung brown, orange, parang it's clay. So, pigmented pa rin siya. Pero in person kasi, papasa siya like a nude color for me. Because it's kind of light in person. I love the formula. I love how it can also make my lips like plumpier if I like overline. Kaya niyang i-disguise yung real natural kapal ng lips ko. And yeah, this is one of my favorite liquid lipstick, yung line mismo. And this is from BLK, and it's their Airy Matte tint. So yeah, this is the shade Clay. Right, so last 3 products, you guys. Last 3. And yung lip glosses na. So unahin natin this one right here. It looks kind of old. It looks kind of old, but it's not. This is from Essence Cosmetics. Natapyas lang yung parang label niya because nilagay ko to sa bag ko. Nilagay ko to sa bag ko for like Alright guys, so this is the Essence lip gloss on my lips. I'm gonna find yung like exact name and shade nito, guys. I'm just gonna list it like somewhere here. But yeah, this is one of my favorite lip gloss, you guys. Hindi siya clear, okay? Hindi siya clear. It has a little bit of tint to it. Just a little bit of tint. So I consider this as a nude lip gloss. But what I like about this, meron siyang parang minty feel to it. And ginagawa niya parang like really plump and juicy and makapal yung labi mo. Like Angelina Jolie kapal. So I really love it. And parang, alam mo yun, binabawasan niya yung lines nung lips ko. It's very similar dun sa effect na nagagawa nung lip gloss dun sa Vice and Anne Klutz collection. Yung lip gloss doon, if you watch me guys, if you follow me guys, you know that I super duper love that. And yeah, it has the same effect, pero eto, meron siyang like a little bit of brown tint to it. So yeah, really like this one from Essence Cosmetics. Next product is kind of similar to the Essence Cosmetics. Iba lang yung parang pigment nito. And this one is from BLK Cosmetics from the Love Story Bridal Collection. In the shade Lace. You can use this on its own or you can use it as a, you know, lipstick topper. Guys, so eto na siya on my lips. I don't think it's a clear gloss. It has a little bit of tint eh. Ayan o, diba? So you can do whatever with it, but I really do like it because ang ganda niya sa lips. That's all I can say. So yeah, this is Lace from the BLK Bridal Collection. So last lip product, you guys, is from Colourette Cosmetics, and ito yung kanilang Color Glaze, and this is the shade Blanket. So I don't consider this as a lip gloss. This is more like a glossy liquid lipstick. So here it is on my lips. Actually, this could be like a nude-ish glossy liquid lipstick, or it could be brown. It's kind of pigmented, but for me, I want to consider this as a nudie type of lippy. So yeah, this is Colourette Color Glaze in the shade Blanket. Alright guys, so yun na lahat ng aking mga favorite nude lippies, from lipsticks to liquid lipsticks, from matte to glossy. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin for today. And I hope I was able to give you an idea ano yung mga magagandang nude lippies without actually looking dead. But you know, it still varies. It depends on your skin tone, it depends on your undertone, and it depends on what you think would look, you know, cute on you. Mini suggestions lang naman tong video ko. So yeah, that completes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Alrighty? Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye! Pasok! Hi ka dito sa video! Look at my daughter, you guys. Kalbo siya. Kasi sabi pag kinalbo mo, kakapal daw ang buhok. Hi! Hi! Say hi! Bye. Hi! And that is my mommy. Hi, Ma!